What's up everybody, this is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is just going to be a quick one. I wanted to check out this new Mustang drift car 2-pack set. As if you follow me on Instagram, I've reported before that I've hardly ever see these 2-pack sets at my Target. I did get the Datsun set for my friend that lives in Nashville. I saw that one time, and I saw the Moon Eyes set one time, and then I saw a couple of these. And this one actually I think was kind of like more of a peg warmer. I'd seen 3 or 4 of these sat around for a few weeks, and now when I was at my Target yesterday, they were all finally gone. But for the most part, I don't think it was, I don't think it sold very well. I thought it looked pretty cool, so I grabbed it. I've never seen these other two up here, the Skyline or the Dodge set. I've never seen those. So I know the Skyline one is probably the most popular one besides the Datsun 510 set, which was another in another run. But I saw that only like a week or so before I picked this up. But let's go ahead here and crack this open. We'll spin them around, take a look at them. I thought they looked pretty cool. I like the all over tampos. Well, that came off nice and clean, which is good. Lots of plastic. This is like a clamshell. Alright, so now we can see them up on the turntable. We'll take a look at them here. Like I said, I do like the all over tampos. I like that on the, I think it was a Sylvia and some other ones that they had done in the past. Looks pretty cool. And what was it, the HKS Skyline looked good in the all over tampos. I thought these looked pretty cool. That was one of the main reasons I grabbed this set. I thought this would look great out of the pack. I'm not sure how much, maybe they're not. I was gonna say this, I wasn't sure how many logos were fictional on the side here, but I see some real logos. I'm not sure what the Fun Haver, if that's a real thing on the hood there, if that's a company or drift team or what. But this one here has the white 5-spoke wheels, looks pretty cool. Both have the satin black metal bases. Oops, that one goes flying. This one has lime green 10-spoke wheels, looks really cool. Both have clear glass, maybe very lightly smoked glass. I think they're clear though. Clear glass with black interior. I think they're both really sharp. This new turntable, I have it on high and it's still very low. I like the grill details, like even the green around the grill looks good, and then the other one coming up here has white around the grill. I think they did a pretty good job. This one that's coming around has the Mustang RTR logo on the windshield, but the other one doesn't have that for a reason. Maybe these are based off of real cars then, because this one says Von Gittin Jr. or whatever on this one here. And I can't read what this next one here says there. I can't make out the guy's name. Denorfa? I don't know. Pretty cool though. I think these look pretty nice though. So I'm now thinking they are possibly based off of real drift cars. I wasn't quite sure if the liveries were fictional or not. Got a really deep chin spoiler. And we know BC Coilovers is a real company, so that's definitely not fictional on the side of the doors there. And looks like we got a couple other logos that are real. Not sure what the fun haver means though. So there you go, just a quick one. I thought you guys might want to check those out along with me. I thought they looked pretty cool. And that is the 2-pack of Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture Mustang Drift Set. Spec 5 Drift Set, I guess it says. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, if you like this type of video, be sure to give me a like, share, subscribe, all good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. It's free and can't beat free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. You guys have a good night. See you soon. Alright, bye now.